All right, everyone, let's talk straight. You work hard for your money, you absolutely do. And you want that money to work hard for you too. That is smart thinking. Investing is about making your money grow over time. It is about building a more secure future for yourself and your loved ones. It is not about getting rich quick, please understand that. True wealth is built patiently, step by step. It is about making wise choices today for a better, more comfortable tomorrow. That is the power you have. Many people choose to invest in companies. They look for businesses that are strong, innovative, and have a clear plan for the future. When you invest in a company, you are buying a small piece of it. You become a part owner. If the company does well, the value of your piece can go up. This is how people build wealth over the long run. It is about believing in the potential of a business and sharing in its success. This is a journey, not a race. Remember that. Choosing the right companies is very important. You want businesses that are leaders in their field. You want companies that are creating things people need or want. Think about companies that are changing the world for the better. These are often the ones that have the potential to grow significantly. Investing is not gambling. It is about careful consideration and understanding what you are putting your money into. You must do your homework. You must feel confident. So the goal is to find those great companies that have a strong foundation and exciting prospects. Investing in them can be a way to participate in their journey. It can be a way to help your own financial dreams take root and flourish. It takes courage to start, I know, but knowledge is power, and understanding why you invest is the very first step. It is about taking control of your financial destiny. You can do this. Now let's talk about two companies that many people are watching closely, Tesla and Palantir. You may have heard their names. Tesla is very well known for its electric cars, sleek, fast, and environmentally friendly cars. And this is important, Tesla is more than just a car company. It is also a leader in battery technology and solar energy. Their mission is big to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. That is a powerful goal, isn't it? They are thinking about the future of our planet. Tesla, led by Elon Musk, dreams of a world powered by clean energy. They build electric vehicles from sedans to trucks. They are also developing self-driving technology, which could change how we travel. Beyond cars, they produce solar panels and battery storage systems for homes and businesses. This means they are involved in how we generate, store, and use energy. It is a comprehensive approach to a greener future. Understanding this broader mission is key to understanding Tesla's potential. It is not just about cars. Then there is Palantir Technologies. This company might be less familiar to some, but it is very important. Palantir is a software company. They create platforms that help organizations make sense of huge amounts of data. Think about it. We live in a world overflowing with information. Palantir's software helps businesses and governments find patterns, solve complex problems, and make better decisions. They are like digital detectives, finding crucial insights hidden in the data. This is incredibly valuable work. Palantir's software is used for many critical tasks. It helps governments with national security and disaster relief. It helps businesses improve their operations, manage supply chains, and develop new products. Essentially, Palantir provides tools to turn data into actionable intelligence. In an increasingly data-driven world, the ability to understand and use information effectively is a superpower. Palantir aims to provide that superpower to its clients. This makes them a unique and important player in the tech world. So, what makes Tesla a company to watch for the long term? First, it is a true innovator. They did not just make an electric car, they made electric cars desirable. They rethought the entire driving experience. Tesla has pushed the boundaries with its battery technology, making their cars go further. They have also built their own network of fast chargers, which is a huge advantage. This commitment to innovation keeps them ahead of many competitors. They are constantly looking for what is next. Beyond the vehicles themselves, Tesla is heavily invested in artificial intelligence. This is crucial for their self-driving ambitions. Full self-driving capability could revolutionize transportation and create new revenue streams for the company. Tesla also has a very strong brand and a loyal customer base. People are passionate about Tesla. This brand loyalty is a powerful asset. They are not just selling a product, they are selling a vision of the future, a lifestyle. This creates a strong foundation for continued growth. Now let's look at Palantir. What makes them special? Palantir operates in a field with high barriers to entry. Their software platforms like Gotham for government and Foundry for commercial clients are incredibly sophisticated. They are designed to solve some of the world's most complex data challenges. This is not something that can be easily replicated. Their ability to integrate and analyze disparate data sources is a key differentiator. They help find needles in haystacks, and that is very valuable. Palantir has built strong long-term relationships, especially with government agencies in the United States and allied countries. These are often multi-year contracts providing stable revenue. More recently, Palantir has been expanding its commercial business significantly. They are showing how their data analysis tools can help all sorts of companies become more efficient and innovative. As more businesses realize the power of big data, Palantir's services could see increasing demand. Their expertise is in turning chaos into clarity. When you think about companies like Tesla and Palantir, you must think long-term. These are not stocks for quick trades. No, no, no. Their potential lies in their ability to continue to innovate and grow over many years. Tesla is at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution, which is still in its early stages. The shift to sustainable energy is a massive global trend. Palantir is tapping into the ever-increasing importance of data in every aspect of our lives. These are powerful, long-lasting tailwinds. Therefore, if you choose to invest in companies like these, you should be prepared to hold on to your shares for the future. This is called long-term investing. It means you believe in the company's vision and its ability to execute that vision over time. There will be ups and downs in the stock market. That is normal. Do not panic with every dip. If your research is sound and your belief in the company's fundamentals remains strong, staying the course is often the wisest strategy. Patience is a virtue in investing. Investing in individual stocks carries risk, of course. You must always do your own research. Understand the businesses. Never invest money you cannot afford to lose. But investing in companies with big ideas, companies that are trying to shape the future, can be very rewarding. It is about aligning your money with innovation and progress. It is about participating in the growth of something you believe in. That is a powerful feeling and a smart financial move. So my advice is this: start early. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over time. Believe in the power of big ideas. Believe in companies that are working to build a better future. And most importantly, believe in your own ability to make smart financial decisions. Your financial future is in your hands. Take control, be informed, be patient, and you can build the secure tomorrow you deserve. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of individual stocks and investing strategies.